वेलकम टू कंप्यूटर का फंडे यूट्यूब चैनल। जल्दी से जल्दी इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो नीचे दिए गए लाल सब्सक्राइबर बटन पर क्लिक करें और साथ ही दिए गए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी मजीद अपडेट्स आप तक पहुंच सकें।
Go ahead, kid. Stick your toes in the stirrups. You have ridden before, have you not? Come on. All righty. You ready, friend? Being honest as I am, I'll give you a chance to run around a bit before we wager. First, let's try some sprinting. Press the sprint button to spur your horse. Fine. Do it again. Notice that burst of speed to get it to start. Ain't that a kick in the ass? Spurring too much can even kill your horse. Then he'll be real mad. All right, let's see you attempt some changes. Fine and dandy. Rest your spurs for a spell, and the horse will revive. Show me if you got the goods, kid. Any cuss worth his britches ought to be able to whip me in a horse race. Now let's see how good you really are. Let's race. Start the race facing the same direction as me. 3 laps round the meadow. Get ready to race. Ready? Go! Come on. Won the race. Damn, you're fast. Okay, that's one. Now let's see what you can shoot from the saddle. Follow me. You gotta kill at least 5 of the buffalo grazing yonder. Remember, the buster should trample or skid attack in order to get credit for killing the buffalo. Got another. That's one. more of these bottles than me. Try shooting at him from horseback. You whip me on this part, and I'm gonna have to give you my horse. Them pesky wolves are back to scavenge. You can use scatter 'em. Yeah! Get him up! Yeah! Yeah! Well, kid, you win fair and square. Be kind to her, will you?
I will.
She's been a good animal.
Thanks. Come on.
God damn it, it took you long enough.
So much for your name.
You really think I'd give up my ride without a fight? Let's kill this bastard. He's got an Alhambra token on him. Found him! Ah! Ah! Ow! Ah! 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 Oh! That hurt. Oh!
Much obliged, Tom. If I pass this way again, I'll be sure to close the door.